Hello guys and welcome to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to block startup apps on your Windows so your Windows runs faster and nothing is taking any performance in the background. So I'm not just going to talk about the usual method using the startup and the taskbar. I'm going to tell you more methods, so let's get started. First, the easiest way that everyone knows is right click here and task manager and you'll find startup apps. So this is the normal method that everyone knows. If you find any app here that says enable and you don't want it to be enabled, just select it and click disable from here like this. But not every app is being shown here. There's a lot of apps that are not being shown. So how to access these apps? So the first method is going to the search and type run, or you can access it by Windows button and R, and here just type msconfig. Okay. From here go to services, and in here you'll find all these options. These are apps that are working, but some of them are Microsoft apps. So to hide them, just select hide all Microsoft services, and here it will show you all the apps. If you compare it to startup, if you open this startup, in here we can see apps that are not here. Like for example, Epic Games Updater, Epic Online Services. These are not being shown here. Maybe you can access them from the Epic Games app itself, but they are not being shown here. So if you don't want any of them to be working in the background, just don't select them. Like select this and disable, and after that apply and OK. I'm going to cancel this for now. You can access it by typing msconfig. So if I don't want these apps, I'll just disable them, uncheck them like this, and leave what you want. But some apps are still not being shown here. Another method. Also, you can access it by opening run again, and in here type shell startup like this. I'm going to leave these commands in the video description so you can use it. Shell startup. Now any app that you see here, any shortcut that you see here in this folder will be working in the background. If you don't want anything, just delete it. There's also another one, common startup. Shell common startup. Okay, it's the same idea. If you find any app in here, you need to delete it. One more method. Open run again and type task schd, task schedule, task schedule.msc, and click OK. In here you will find more apps that are like this app, WPS Office. It's always working in the background and it's not here and it's not on the other window. So if you want to access it, you will find it here. You will find here WPS update, WPS external. If it's working in the background, it's going to be running. So I'm going to disable it. So you can even delete it from here. So let's go to properties. Let's go to triggers and delete this. And OK. Let's also open this, triggers, delete it, let's delete it. So let's open this, triggers, delete, okay, disable. And here we have Microsoft Edge, open it, triggers, let's disable it. So everyone, that's how you do it. These are some ways. There's also an app available on Microsoft Store. It will show you this app, Auto Run Organizer. You can try it too. Let's open it. Let's search for here, Auto Run Organizer. Here you can try it too. If the app that is annoying you is available here, you can right click on it from here and check this, disable. And this is also another way. So everyone, that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.